Alright guys, sorry about earlier. If you have watched my chat earlier, we are on. So I ended up purchasing another 10k account. Cause yeah, that 10k account that I had before was basically blown. I just fucking blew it and then got the discount code for a new one. Reason why I don't care is because I've now in 2 days I got access to my 5k funded account and I'm feeling pretty confident I'll make the money back anyway. So yeah, we'll try a 10k account again, and then if that fails, I'm probably going to do shitloads of back testing again and rethink my strategy. But at the moment, doing with all my back testing and stuff like that, I didn't have an unprofitable month at all. Like I was having 30% months, 10% months, whatever. So yeah, I still believe in my strategy. It was 2 weeks of green days and then three days of red. And the third day of red was basically me adding to my winning trade too many times and then just fucking got stung. So yeah. So tonight restarting a new 10k account, and I'm feeling confident I'm going to win. I don't think I'm going to lose, so yeah. So at the moment, looking at the trading, I'm bearish on this overall. You know, there's still a gap that needs to be filled up here, so you could switch bullish. We've got a strong wick on the 5 minute. Definitely could be a buy signal reversal, but I'm still, until it proves to me that it's bullish, I'm going to stick to my sells. Looking at structure on the 15 minute, still definitely like sell signals for me. But yeah, I'm ready to have some more profitable nights. I'm so ready for this. So yeah. So I'm hoping price taps my the VWAP and then does a nice reaction and breaks a low. Then I'll probably look for a sell. So a good thing about me buying a new account as well is I'm back to using Trade Locker again, which is really good. Risk 100. So I'll still risk 1%. I just won't add to winning trades so much. Not unless I'm really ahead. So yeah, I'm ready for this shit. We'll go sell. I'm still bearish. Price has gone up through the VWAP. At what point am I kind of looking bullish? Somewhere around here and here. If price just keeps pumping up, I'm probably going to look for buyers. But I am expecting a sell opportunity here. Fresh chart. Yeah, might be looking like a buying night tonight. Maybe. Pretty strong sell, pretty strong high test there. I wonder what's timestamps. Yes. Still looking for sells. That's something more of what I want to see. For me, that looks like a sell signal. If it closes strong, right? It needs to close strong for me. I'll put the stop loss up here. Looking good. Yeah, nothing yet. It's a massive wick. So it definitely could be a reversal signal. We're just, yeah, right now, still bearish. Thanks, mate. Are you trading today, Gideon? I'm still feeling confident. I just bought another 10k account challenge. Let's go back. Where is it? Yeah, I'm still waiting to get onboarded my funded account. I'm waiting for this to come through. So I've got the master account coming through, and then I've got a new 10k that I've started today. Yeah, I've noticed the market's been a bit weird lately. Yeah, 2 days, just 2 weeks of solid green weeks. And then lately I've just, been on a loose streak, which fucking sucks. But, oh, well, at least it's secured a funded account. And I've been very lucky. I haven't even been able to access the funded account because it's still being onboarded. So, that's good. You watch, I'll have a really good green streak now, and fucking work out perfect that I didn't get access to it for a while. So they're saying the 6th is my second onboarding day, so I have to wait till Thursday, Friday before I get full access to the funded account. Which hopefully I'll pass another 10k account by then. But yeah, I'm definitely looking for a sell on this one. For me, that's double topping. Break of this low, yeah, looking for a sell on that. So if I go pending order, it's pending, sell, bang, come on you fucker, sell, stop, bang, risk 100. Yeah, I'm still selling this shit. For me, the reason why I'm selling is because of the 15-minute chart. Look at that 15-minute chart. For me, that's a sell any day of the week. In terms of profit and loss, $107 made if we hit take TP. So I'm feeling confident tonight. I still believe in my system. Let's do it. I'm very confident. You know, to me, that's like a double top plus like a break through the VWAP. Plus 15-minute chart, it's still bearish. For me, that's sell, sell, sell. That massive wick, yeah, that could easily be a reversal signal, but with the way I trade, this is just, yeah, the way I trade, who knows, I might just fucking keep losing, but we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, structure. You know, if you're into SMC, like this would be like a whole, this area here is like, would be like a supply zone. This would be like a supply zone. Swept the high and then shot down. So I'm still bearish, but yeah. Who knows, if price fucking just starts shooting up above all these highs, then yeah, then we'll just keep looking for buys. But right now I'm seller. And it looks like we might be right. Maybe. I just gotta not move my stops. Massive wick on the 30-minute, massive wick on the 1 hour, but that hasn't closed yet. 5-minute, still bearish. 15 minutes, still bearish in my opinion. 30-minute is bullish kind of, but yeah, as you can see, once it breaks this low, I'm kind of more convinced. Looking good. Very good. Go on, baby, break this low. Might not want to, but I'm hoping it will. What's going on here? Session breaks, text. Might even change the colors. Got black. And then I think what it would be. I think up will be black, and down will be white. See what that looks like. Yeah, it kind of looks like shit. Go. Status. Okay, text. Lines, yeah. We are on, boys. This is looking good. Let's fucking go. Let's get the meme board out. Let's go. I'm getting ready for a win. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's fucking go. First trade on the account. Let's fucking go. Alright, what's that? Woo! Give me that money, G. Get me that money. You watch, it'll miss the tape. It would have just clipped me the win, and then now it'll fucking shoot up. But we'll see. What else we got? Fire, bro. Let's go. Let's get this money. To be honest, I'm just trying to get value out of streaming software. What's this one? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. We are on, boys. This is bearish as hell. Let's go full 1%. There we go. Boom. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Let's get some more wins. Let's win this shit. We are up, boys. We're at 10,100. Let's go. Another 7%. Let's go. Let's make it all tonight. Let's make it all. It's not far off. Let's push. Let's go, boys. So where was Marcel? Marcel was right here. We're up, boys. We're up. Now let's not blow this account this time. Let's not fucking do it. Let's not blow the account this time, alright guys? Fucking let's get the 10k funded account. Let's get this 10k funded. So yeah, still onboarding to our funded 5k account. This one here, the master 5k account. And then we've just started a new 10k account for all those who are now just watching. So let's fucking do this. Let's make some money. But yeah, doing very well. How many minutes till this candle closes? 10 seconds. Okay. So for me, that's looking like another sell risk 100%. Oh, sell. Shit. Boom. And then we go 100%. Oh, fuck. Yeah, nice. I'm going to lose it. Maybe. 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 But for me, that's another entry signal. It's come through my anchored VWAP. Retesting my anchored VWAP. Bearish close. Something I've backtested thoroughly. So if I lose that, so be it. I've got to stick to my system. I've got to stick to my system, right? Oh, fuck. Oh, well. There we go. There goes that 1% that we gained early in the night, but oh well. If we see another signal, we'll take it. Yeah, so we're 1-1. Let's go text. I'll win, 1 loss. That's it. I'm not mad about that. Broke through my anchor VWAP, came back, retested it. It's bearish environment. I'm not mad. Still looking for sells. Not seeing anything yet that was close to it. If that closed bearish, I might have actually sold on that. It's 50% of the leg, 618 of the leg. Nice reaction. Let's get a fucking game face on tonight, boys. We've gotta pass another challenge. Actually, you guys didn't even get to hear that. Hang on. Yeah. So if this VWAP, oh yep, that's a fucking sell. Hang on. Let's let it close. Let's not fucking freak out here, okay? Dealt with this situation before, so we've got 30 seconds until candle closes. It's a nice reaction of that VWAP, but we've got to make sure that's a strong close. Can't freak out and just fucking sell. Right, so that's that. So much longer until it closes. It's got to be a strong close. 2, 3, boom, let's go, sold. Yeah, that's a sell. Looks like that VWAP's holding. We're currently up on profit. Just remember my win rate is 60%, not 100%. So try not to judge me too much. Let's go 103 bucks, 104, let's go. Okay, that's fine. Straight to the low. Looking good. Sell, motherfucker, sell. Let's go. I'm getting my meme board ready as soon as I lose or win. Looking good. Don't you dare, motherfucker, let's go. Is that a sell? Is a good reaction. What else have we got here? Decent selling pressure here right now. Is that another win? Let's not get too excited. Here we go. We're getting ready, boys. We're getting ready. Come on, mother. Let's go. I'll press that too early. This might be loose. You know, it's funny. I used to trade the 1 hour chart, the 15-minute chart, and everything else. I just find it hilarious how I still like get uncomfortable even just on the 1 minute chart. It's a joke. Instead of how quick I hit my take profit, right? I just like to be right, especially with me live streaming. I just like to be right. Like I feel like shit when people watch my live streams and then I lose and then it's like, oh shit. Oh man, it hit 1-to-1. My TP's like here. Because of the spread. So yeah, we'll see. I wonder if this will be like a night like the other night where it was just slow and crappy and just sideways. I hope not. Look at the 5 minute again. It's a nice high test on the 5 minute. We're close. It's a bit of a, like, if you look at this area right here, price seems to react pretty well off this freaking support resistance kind of zone. So I'm kind of selling into a brick wall here, but price has already dumped through it, took on all this liquidity here. So I would then consider this support zone to be kind of null and void now. Well, I think we're here, boys. Quick. Alright, come on, let's go! Woo! Money! Let's go. That's good. Getting my money's worth out of this streaming software. Very good, very nice. Okay, so we're at 2 wins. Yeah, it is. It's I had 2 weeks of just green days, man, and then all of a sudden, fucking 3 days of losing, and I just kept adding to my winning trades, and it just made me blow my last 10k account. So now I'm back to yeah, but I'm happy. I get my 5k funded account in 2 days. No, I'm still waiting for my 5k account to actually get given to me. It's still onboarding. You can see it here. See, it's still onboarding. I was just been arguing with the bloody Punjak here, Pankaj or whatever, when it's going to get onboarded. But he said in another 2-3 days. So I've got a choice, right? I've got to either not trade for the next 2-3 days or buy like another 10k account challenge. So that's what I've done. But yeah, the last couple of nights I've just got a bit happy, trigger happy on my last 10k account that I bought. But yeah, hoping this time I'm going to pass it. I still believe in my strategy. It's just, yeah, looking like a good night tonight. Get rid of this. I just have this feeling it's going to be one of those sideways nights again. I don't know. Just, it gives you mixed signals, right? Support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. We might be looking at like a sideways night. I'm hoping not, but it could be. That's why I'm glad I go for 1-for-1s. I mean, like, look at this. Like, I entered this trade earlier, won. This one lost, right? But then this one won again. And then all of a sudden, like, imagine if I was going 1-3. Right now, I'd still be in this one. And I'd be just waiting all night. So that's why I go 1-1, folks. Because, yeah, 1-1. It's just good on your psychology. You can just... The pain is over quick if you lose or if you win. It's still painful, right? It's still painful to even just watch a trade, even when it's in your favor. Like, only 5 minutes into a trade and it's still painful for me 3 years later, like, into trading. Never goes away. Especially when you're live streaming, right? Not really. I wouldn't consider it that wide. Like if you look at, where's the market panel? There it is. If you look at the market panel, spread is 1, 0, 0, right? So generally if you go, which is like 1 point. So this is, say this is your entry. Say this is your entry. Well, this trade here is your entry. Your spread is, instead of 225 stop loss, it's 235. So go to 35. So I barely, like, it's only 1 point. So it's like, fucking, that much. That's how big your spread is. No fees either. It's not that much. Like, it's a little bit on a 1 minute chart, but it's not much at all. Like I entered, it's more like if price whips. Yeah, so I normally do like that. It's my extra pips for my stop loss like that. Because it's only one, so it's 2060 if I go 2160 or even something like that. Boom. I got my winning trade. Let's go. Yeah, so the spread's pretty good. I haven't really noticed it like affecting me much. Well, for me, this is another trade entry. If this closes strong, I'm going to sell. For me, this is another trade entry. If this closes strong, I'm going to sell. If it breaks this low, I'm going to sell too. But what I am going to do is I'm not going to over risk. I'm going to take one entry and then that's it. So we go risk. Oh shit, it's running without me. 100. We go pending. There. And we go, okay, I'll take that just in case it runs without me. And breaks this low. But if this closes strong, I'll take a sell before it breaks the low. Okay, which I probably will. So risk, market, how many seconds we got left? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bang. Okay, how much? Let's close the pending. Is that $100? Well, no, that's 92, so I have to go 100. That's good. That's fine. That's fine. That looks like a good trade. Okay, and then if it breaks below this low, then we go, okay, that's better. That's better, and then we go, okay, we're gonna go $100, take profit. Right there. Okay. We'll go $101 profit. What I like about this trade is hit my anchor VWAP, double topping, breaking the low. Took a little bit of liquidity here. What I don't like about this trade is there's like a support and resistance section. Price seems to be reacting from this area, so it could really fuck me. Yeah, it looks like it will. Maybe. Yeah, because I hate to lose, right? Especially live streaming. That's what we're looking for. Something like that. But you got to risk it to make a biscuit. No, I fucked up. I've only passed the 5k funded account, and then I bought a 10k account, and then I blew it. So I had like 2 weeks of profitability, like 80% win rate. It was fucking amazing. And then like 2-3 nights I blew it because I kept adding to my winning trades. So even last night I entered 2 trades. I entered 2 trades last night, and I moved my stop loss closer and I added again. Whereas if I just left the original trade running, it would have just won and I would have been fine. But of course, I got a bit pushy with my funded account challenge because I just want to pass. I either want to pass or just lose, and then I get a discount on the next one. Because yeah, once I get to the second phase of the funded account, that's where I get like really anal about just having one trade on and just don't add to the trades, which I'm thinking I just will do from now on, because kind of like 3% riding on a trade. Like when I'm back testing, it's fine because I'm up like 10% on the account, so I don't give a shit. I just keep entering, adding to a winning trade. Like I just don't care. But yeah, when you actually like pass an account and then you just yeah. Yeah, it was. So I felt invincible, man. I had an 80% win rate. So I fucking, again, I became ballsy and thought I had the keys to the market, and then I just lost. That was my problem. It's like, yeah, last night I just kept adding to my winning trade, adding. Fucking dumbass, but. And then it would have been a winning night. Yeah, good man. Good to see you podcasting. I'm glad you guys are finally seeing me starting to win. After the last 3 nights. We'll see if that continues this way. Right? There we go. There it is. We'll see. I'm feeling better. I'm happy I'm not using Match Trader anymore as well. Oh man. So I'll let you know the condition of what's going on with me. So right now I'm still getting onboarded to my 5k funded account that I passed. And then with that other account that was basically left down to like 1 or 2%, I just fucking blew it. And then I used the discount code to buy a new 10k account. So yeah, I'm still waiting to get onboarded with the 5k account. And then with the 10k account, after losing that, I've just kind of had to do a lot of self-reviewing and seeing like, why did I lose it? And a lot of it was just I was adding to winning trades, and I just kept adding like you saw the other night, price was just going fucking sideways and I added to it. Like, I kept adding to it, and then I moved my stop, which is already against my back testing, because I never moved my stop during my back testing. And it would have been a winning night, but instead, like, I just kept losing percentages, just adding to my winning trade. So, yeah. So yeah, starting a new 10k account now, looking pretty good. Like I'm up 1%, 1.5% at the moment. And just, yeah, I'm going to try and just not add to my winning trades, because I just can't have like a 3% loss in a night, right? It's just, because then when the market's good, I want to have enough capital actually. Yeah. I don't want to have to keep buying account challenges. Every time I get greedy and just keep adding to my winning trades. But yeah, so I was kind of hoping I got access to my 5k funded account tonight, so I can just maybe try and score like a couple of percent, maybe like 5 or 10% on it, and then just wait for a payout on that. But yeah, I'm still confident in my strategy. Yeah, this is the new 10k account. I bought a new one because if you lose an account, if you blow an account, you get a discount code of like 15%. And I was already down to like 1 or 2% before the account actually was blown, so I just didn't care. I just took a sell over here somewhere, and it wiped me out. And then I just bought a new one with the discount code. I wasn't gonna try and like fight with that last 1% and just struggle. Oh sweet, another win, let's go. That's good. So we're up 2% now, boys. Let's not fucking blow it. Like I said, the main reasons I think I kept adding to my winning trades very aggressively. I also think like yesterday as well, my whole family was sick and I just had the day off work. I was stressed out as well. Lack of sleep as well. Wasn't making good decisions. But I think the biggest thing was adding to my winning trades. Like you saw I don't know if you watched last night, I'm sure you did because I saw you in the chats there. But yeah, I had like, well, this is just dumping for now, so I might not get an entry for a while. But yeah, if we look at last night, yeah, it was here. So I had a sell here, just 1 to 1, and then I sold again, I think somewhere here or something like that. I had 2 trades running like this, right? And then I just kept selling. Every time I saw a double top, I just kept selling and selling and selling. Like I sold here, I think. Got wicked out. Not anymore. I used to read lots of books like Trading in the Zone and stuff. But yeah, so I think I sold again here too, maybe. And then I pussied out and reduced my stop. So reducing my stop as well, that fucked me. Because these two would have been winning trades. I just kept adding and adding and adding aggressively as price went down. Even though my account was only like 4 or 5% left on the account, I was risking like a full like 3%, 4%. It was just, yeah, it was dumb. I shouldn't have been so aggressive. It's right if you're back testing and you're already up like 20-30% on the account. That's why I had such that's why I didn't mind adding to a winning trade, is because it just fucking, when I was back testing, I'd be like up 20-30% on the account, just bang, 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 just keep adding. But yeah. We took another sell here. No, we took another sell. Where did I lose? I losed earlier. There it was. Took a sell here. Lost on that. And then I took another sell up here. I think. No, it was here. Yeah. Something like that. So pretty good night so far. And I'm just, yeah, I'm going to keep trading till 8 o'clock my time, which is 6 o'clock now my time. So another hour or two. Depends, if price just keeps going sideways like it was the other night, I'll probably, I don't know, 60%. I've noticed. Like obviously, like when I was passing the funded account challenge, like when I was doing phase 2, right, it was like 80%. So I was getting so ballsy, man. Like if you look at this, it was 85% win rate. In my back testing, it's closer to 60%. If you look at phase 1, that was more accurate. So that's 63% over 6 days. So I had one day where it was like break even. The rest of the days were all just 1%, 1%, 2%, 3, like almost 2.5%. So see there how I wasn't getting like massive 3% days or anything, like 4%, 5% days. Whereas, yeah, the other nights, man, I've been like adding to my winning trades like crazy. Just trying to like aggressively make all my profit back. Even phase 2, it was like 2%, 2%, 1%, and then I think it was just like 1 more percent. Yeah. So I go on the low spectrum, I'd say probably about 60%, 60, 70%. If it's a really good night, like 100%. If it's like, but long term, 63%. I'd say that's more accurate. Do you mean like how did I find out about trading? Is that what you're asking? Oh yeah, sweet. Yeah, so I found it when I got into the crypto market. So when everyone was getting into crypto, when everyone was getting into crypto, I was starting to buy crypto, and I noticed like these huge gains because it was during a bull market, like it was late stage bull market. And then I saw something about like leverage trading, and I'm like, oh, what's this? And I started mucking around on Pancake Swap and Bybit and all that, and I got really lucky. I made like 30 grand, just basically gambling because I didn't know what I was doing. And then I was very like greedy at the time. Hence why I'm only doing like small account challenges now until like I'm super confident. But yeah, I made like 30 grand and then I lost 60 grand on top of the 30 grand. So I lost 90 grand when I was like super ahead. And at the time that was like a lot of money to me, but I was just stupid and greedy and everything like that. But yeah, I got into it when I got into crypto, and then I'm like, oh, what's this? Like, I've got an opportunity here. Instead of putting like $1,000 on Bitcoin and then possibly make like 10% or like 100% or whatever it shoots up. Now I can leverage trade and I can just make like $1,000 from here to there or $100 from here to there. And I'm like, yeah, shit, that's awesome. So just like YouTube and all that. But yeah, kind of like a deep, dark rabbit hole. I'm sure if you're trading yourself where, I don't know if you've lost heaps of money or anything like that. But yeah, that's how I got into it, was going through all the bullshit of losing heaps of money that I couldn't afford to lose. buying lots of courses that are just bullshit. Like, they're probably not even profitable strategies. So losing lots of money. So I've, paid my fair share. And then now I reckon I'm actually getting out the other side of it. Like, I actually believe I'm actually profitable now. And I believe in my system. I believe it so much that I'm willing to live stream it on YouTube. Because when I backtest it, pretty much every month is super profitable, like 10, 20, 30%. Like, so when I actually live market trade it, it's more about what was my failure in my execution, like, or during a losing day. Because even with my backtesting, I've had losing days where I get like 5 or 6 losses in a row easy. It's about, like, on those losing days, what am I going to do? Hopefully have an extra 20-30% on the account to, like, cover those losses if I have a losing night. I wonder if I can add any other memes to this. Do I recover something after losing? Like, how do I recover something? If that's the question, then I just keep trading every night, man. And if I keep losing night after night and I've just lost too much, then I go, okay, I'm going to spend this weekend just back testing like crazy and see where I've gone wrong. Like, why the fuck am I losing so much? And then I'll normally get to the point where I go, okay, it's my execution. I'm not taking the trades when I need to, or it's my system is. I can have, or my system is the blame, and then that's when you're like, okay, I'm going to try a new system. But yeah, man, I've tried to quit trading. I think I'm an addict at this point. Every time I try and quit, I just think about how much time I've wasted and how much money I've lost trying to learn this. And then I go, well, it was all for nothing if I quit now. I feel like once you, I don't know about you, but I feel like once you start, you can't stop until, well, for me, I'm stubborn, so I'm not going to stop until I'm a full-time trader. That's my dream. And there's a mentor that, my main mentor, before I developed this strategy, I'm still part of his group now. I can't share him yet, but he's said to me, even the best traders he knows can trade a whole year and not make anything. Like Tom Hugard, a couple other traders, like they can trade a whole year and not make anything. Like they just might have a bad year. So sometimes you can't blame the strategy or your skill set. Like sometimes people have all these unrealistic, a lot of people have unrealistic trading expectations. Like they just expect you to win every night. Like I think I had a comment the other night on one of my videos. Maybe you should change your trading strategy. It's like, bro, I had 2 weeks of green. 2 weeks of green, funded an account challenge in less than 2 weeks. and then all of a sudden I have like 2-3 losing days because I just get greedy and keep smashing and adding to winning trades. Like, that wasn't my strategy, it was my execution. And even if it was my strategy, I've still, I've back tested it and I trust it. So just remember, like, even the most professional traders in the world, they can have losing months. They can have losing like quarters, maybe even a losing year, like if they're doing really bad. But because market conditions change all the time. Like the other night, price was just going sideways for forever. It was just painful, and I just fucking put a nail in the coffin just by kept adding to the trade, even though it would have won. Like, if I just left my trade running, boom, it would have been a winning night. But because I kept adding and adding and adding, it was just, just trading like I got heaps of money in the account. So it looks like this is like, that's like resistance, support, shoots down, basically wipes out any support that there was left. And then now it might be becoming resistance again, and then price might continue on down. That's what I'm thinking. Could be wrong. Like you see with my win rate, I'm wrong 40% of the time at least. Like, I'm seeing good reason to sell it around this area. This area in here. I see my anchored VWAP here. I see a little bit of a support resistance little section in here. Like, there's reasons to sell around here for me. It's just if I get a signal. There's another trader I know who actually died, which is very sad because he was only profitable for a little while. Became a full-time trader, started traveling the world, and then he died. And he would tell me that as a professional trader, as a full-time trader, he was only looking for like 1 to 2% a month. But he was trading big size, right? But he would tell me like not to stress about blowing funded accounts, because he would blow funding accounts left, right, and center, but still make money because of the way he traded. And obviously for me, I'm leaning towards the side of not blowing any funded accounts and just reducing my risk. So that way it gives me more time for my edge to play out. But yeah, it's interesting what I've learned along the way from different mentors and stuff, that like, don't have unrealistic expectations that you're going to win every single night, and don't blame your strategy if you didn't execute it properly. Yeah, I'm probably ranting, but just waiting for the chart to show me something where I can actually enter. Bit of a V-shaped reversal going on here. We might not be looking for sells anymore. Oh man, too many. I bought 18, which is like his course is ETN. I'll show you. Hang on. I'm seeing a trade set up soon around here, so maybe I'll show you in a bit, but hang on, we'll do that. 100. yeah, if I get a really solid sell candle, I'll sell. Because for me, I'm seeing like support, resistance, support. So I'm seeing a sell area. I'm seeing supply demand zone if you're into SMC or whatever, but support, resistance, my anchored VWAP. I'm seeing lots of reasons to sell right now. So I'm gonna look for a sell if it's a nice bearish close, like a really solid one, and I'll give it a little bit of wiggle room like that. It's looking good. Yeah. Come on, solid close. We got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're sold. Hopefully we don't get fucked, but because there's a bit of a V-shaped reversal here, but I consider this area a reasonable area to look for a sell. I see support turns resistance, I see anchored VWAP, I see supply demand zone, whatever you call it. Yeah, I'm seeing a few reasons to enter this trade. You know, but like I said, I'm only like 60% right most of the time. But yeah, let's put the 100 in. Go 100. 100%. Yeah. But yeah, I've probably, in terms of courses, I've probably spent 30 plus grand, 40 grand, 50, I don't know, a lot on different bullshit courses that are just full of shit and just people that just promise you the world. Like I want to sell a course as like an additional income at some stage, but I want to actually prove it first. I want to be 100k plus funded. Yeah, not looking good. Not looking good. Yeah, we're done with that one. Bit of a V-shaped reversal going here. If it drops to low, I'll probably take another sell. Takes this. -15-minute. 1,325. So I'll consider this a high. Might be looking for bearish signals. I might go for another risk. 100. Go 100. Not convincing enough for me. I think it was like 10 or 20k with my Forex funds. I was really pissed. I got a 5k account, I think I made 20 something percent on it in 1 month, and I made like over $1,000 just from a 5k account, and then I just bought like a 10 or a 20k account off my Forex funds, and then they just shut down like I think it was like a week later while I was doing the trading. But yeah, I'm not going for a big account until I work my way up. But I've had over $1,000 in a payout. because I had a really good month. Sometimes, like, if your strategy goes really well, you can have like 10, 20, 30% in a month. But I'm looking to go big. That's why I keep buying 10k accounts, because I'm feeling confident I can pass challenges better now and make profit. Like, just with my back testing, I'm pretty confident. I just got to prove it to myself, and yeah. Yeah, later I will for sure. Let's just see me pass a 10k account challenge, and then we'll talk about a 20k, and then once I pass the 20k, then we'll talk about the 50. What I'm doing right now is risk management. Because risk management gives me more time to iron out my mistakes. Like, as you saw with me adding to winning trades the other day, just too much aggressively. Okay, now I'm seeing something. Looking good. Okay, so I'll put my stop loss here. I've got 25 seconds. This close is strong. 20 seconds. But yeah, risk management, that's what I'm doing. Small, and then bigger, and then bigger, and then bigger. So I tell myself, okay, if you pass a 5k funded account challenge, which I did first go, okay, you can buy a 10k account challenge now. And once you buy the 10k account challenge and you pass that, then you go, okay, I can do the 20k. So I give myself permission to just keep growing if I pass an account challenge, I go, okay, well, obviously you can pass the account challenge, you can go bigger. So I'm practicing risk management at the moment. Just making sure I do it slowly, because I don't want to blow like 500 USD if I haven't ironed out all the kinks yet in terms of my execution of my strategy. I want to make sure when I make mistakes, it's going to be not a $500 mistake, but like a $50 mistake or a $100 mistake. I'm ballsy because I'm confident. I was trading it for over like 6 to 7, 8 months, something like that. And the biggest killer for me was the trade frequency. I don't know, you probably hear me tell you guys all the time, trade frequency. Like, see here how I just go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, maybe a 6th one over here somewhere. With Photon, you get one trade every week, maybe. Like, you'll get maybe like 5 trades in a month. Or sometimes if it's really good conditions, you get like 10 trades in a month. And you only got like a 40% win rate or a 30% win rate or like so you're sitting here staring at the screen that whole time, like 2-3 hours a night, and you're not getting a trade, and it was just too much sitting on your hands. And just the percentages, like it would take you, if you were doing the strategy correctly and well, and you make 50% in a year, which is what I did when I was back testing, you can maybe pass an account challenge in maybe 3 months. It'd take you 3 months to pass an account challenge, whereas with my current strategy, it took me 2 weeks. So big difference, man. Big difference. But with my strategy, it's easy to blow an account too. So you got to take the hits. Like, I can have heaps of losing trades in a night. I can have heaps of winning trades in a night. Just depends what the market's like. Depends how well you execute. Like, it's really easy to fuck up on the 1 minute. That's probably a big thing, is the 1 minute chart. It's easy to just see things. It only took me 3 days to blow the 10k account because I just kept adding to trades and was very aggressive. From now on, I'm thinking just during these account challenges, when I enter a trade, I'll just leave it on and not add to it. I find when I was back testing, I would add to my winning trades, and yeah, I would like lose 5 or 10% in an account in a night, but then I'd make it back by adding to winning trades. But in the live market, if you don't have heaps of, like right now I'm only up 1% on the account. If you don't have heaps of like stockpile of extra percentage sitting there on your account, it's a bad idea to just keep adding to winning trades, because you just blow the account quick if you're gonna lose. So it only took me 3 days, man. 3 days of just fucking being aggressive. Whereas looking back at all the nights, if I just didn't add to my winning trades, I would have still had plenty to play with. And then a night like tonight, I would be cleaning up, maybe. Hopefully. Nice. Nice. Oh, let's get the memes nut ready. Let's go. That's all I got. For if I win, that's all I got, guys. I'm sorry. I got this too. I'll turn the money off. There we go. It's looking good. Okay, it's probably like a 90% chance I'm going to win now. 90. There's always a chance it just goes... Yeah, I used to listen to Eminem when I was a kid. I never listen to him anymore, but when I did listen to him, I really liked him. At the moment, I don't know, I got sick of his music or whatever, but I do like him. Like I used to love his music when I was heaps younger. I'm more into like techno and stuff now, just because I just want something to keep me awake while I'm like at the gym or something, or like playing video games. Let's be accurate here. I'll add this losing trade in here as well. Get the anchored VWAP in there. Yeah, I'm a tradie, so I'm an electrician. So I put in PowerPoints and stuff for a living. PowerPoints, light switches, I install air conditioners. I got to school till like a grade 11 term 2, and then I left early. But since then I've done like tons of courses and stuff, but yeah, and then I ran my own business for a while. Running your own business is fun. I had like a few staff and stuff too. But yeah, as soon as I got into trading, everything else fell downhill. Because I was just obsessed with trading. That's the problem. Just obsessed with it, man. And that's kind of why I want to do more YouTube live streaming and stuff, because yeah, I'm just talking shit now, but yeah, it's been a good night. Up 2% so far. And normally with a trading night like this, if I just keep entering trades, sometimes when I'm back testing, I get like 6-7% in a night. I might even look at FX replay and show you that. Like, you just can't be scared to lose it. Like, you gotta be like not scared to lose your money. It's the only way you make money is just being ballsy enough to not lose it. If we look at it. Yeah, look at this. 30% month, right? Look at this, 30% month in 3 weeks on July, 62% win rate, right? If you look here, you go 2nd of July, okay, made 2%, made 2%, made, in 1 day I made, fucking heaps, like 5-6%. And then the next day made another, kept winning, losing, but made like 2 or 3%, 2 or 3%. And then for the and then for like, fuck you. All right. So, and then, right. And then for like a couple of days there, it was like just sideways. And then look at this, losing days, and then bup, and then bup, and then just, yeah. So it's definitely like, I still have a losing days, like, but yeah. I guess during this back testing, it was lucky because when I kept adding to my trades, I'd win, lose. So I wasn't seeing these massive dips. This is me mucking around with it again. With this fucking around, I only did 17 trades, but it was like a 47% win rate, but it was still like, for some reason it was 9% up. Not really. I don't really play video games anymore. I want to try it out, but I'm too busy working and trading. And then as soon as I get a chance, I'll back test on FX replay. It's probably the biggest thing is back testing. I try and restrict myself from playing video games, even though I do. Every so often I'll log into like an old MMO or something. I used to play like RuneScape or WoW or something, or like Age of Empires 4. Yeah, I agree. It's lost me so much money thus far. And then when I've finally been getting payouts and stuff, it feels so good. Like you're actually starting to get paid for your time. And it's really good. I want to, obviously, until I prove myself and just keep passing funding challenges and stuff. But I really want to, like once I'm 100k plus funded, I'm going to look at starting a decent trading community. Because yeah, it's good to make friends and stuff. Trading is a pretty isolating game. The thing about trading, it never feels like a waste of time. Like you always feel like you're either learning or you're making money or you're And by learning, I mean making mistakes and losing money, but it's good. Teaches you a lot about yourself too, like how much patience you should learn to have. Alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, boys, we are on. We've got some Pepsi Max. I'm pumped. We're up 2% on the account. looking good. Let's keep trading, but we still got a profit target to hit. I want to see this account passed in 2 weeks, just like the 5K one. Let's go for it, guys. Look at the 5 minute. Nah. We have a double bottom here. Still bearish in my opinion. 1 hour is just like a doji candle. 30-minute low test again, some wicking. Might view my live stream in a web browser. What's the quality like? Like, is the quality actually any decent? Never mind. Yo, nice. View low, yeah. You know, it's 7 o'clock. Nobody's watching anyway. No real trade setups forming anyway. We're up 2%. Might be a good time to call it unless anyone has any questions for me. Yeah, I'll stay strong for another 5 more minutes. Might do some more shorts tonight. I might make some shorts content. Yeah, I'm not seeing an entry for a while. Unless I get like a nice double top here or something, like I'm not really seeing anything. Alright, legends. I hope you guys are having a good night. We up 2% for tonight. We've already taken 6 trades. We're doing well. Let's hope we pass the challenge again, hey. So you guys take it easy. I'll see you guys later. Thank you.